How to fix ChatGPT error. If this error occurs, just contact us. If any day you face a problem like this on ChatGPT and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution on how you can solve it. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi Fi connection or your data connection. After you check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device. After that, you have to tap on the option of Support ChatGPT. Now, after you tap on Support ChatGPT, now you can see an interface like this. Here, you have to go to the option of the Help Center of your ChatGPT. After you go to the Help Center of the ChatGPT, now you have to scroll down like this. After you scroll down like this, when you see the option of the message like icon on the downside, now here what you can do is you can go to the option of the ChatGPT Share Links FAQ, or otherwise you can just go back once again and again you can go to the next option. That is, you can again tap on it like this, and then you can go to the contact center of the ChatGPT and you can share any of the problem that you are facing by going to the option of the very contact list here. And this is the way on how you can do this. You can also go to the option of messages here. Otherwise, you can again go to the option of help as well. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.